So I'm trying to get my money out. First of all, it's a sign that say no withdrawals. Like it's like a printout paper. And then, you know, I'm trying to like choose the bills that I want. I'm pressing 20. It's giving me 10. Like something wrong with the touchscreen thing of the ATM. But I don't know. I'm trying to figure out which building it is and where I can park. I might go down that street and park on that block. I don't know. But yeah, I'm here now. She texted me, so we're all good to go. She didn't text me last night. I guess she don't do confirmations, but she texted me this morning. So I'm gonna park and then I'm gonna go in. I thought it would be on the other side of the street, but it's on this side. So yeah, I was on the wrong block. I'm about 4 minutes behind. That should be fine though. Alright, I think I'm in the right area now. I'll see y'all in there.
Looks like you're finally free now, boys. Finally
I'm telling y'all. I'm gonna show y'all in better light. Somebody can hear me. Y'all, she made them long. They're long as hell. Y'all, they go down to my thighs. And I asked for butt lint, but she made them extra long. I love it. They're so cute. Y'all, it's so hot in this car. Let me turn it on. She ate that up though. I'm gonna have to show y'all when I get home how long it is. Y'all, I need to get a tripod or something. But I hate how the lighting look. I need to get, you know what I need? I need to get some tints on my windows. I feel like if I got some tints, like, I don't know, because the light will always look good in my boyfriend's car because he got tints on his window. Ooh, shit. Okay, I made it. But, I'm gonna go get some food. I guess we're going to Culver's before I head back home. It is so hot, y'all. It's barely been freaking, I should have went. It's barely been 70 degrees these last couple of days. And today, my car say 88, like, and I've been parked in the sun, so it's probably not that hot outside, but damn. I'm gonna have to turn this air all the way up. I didn't record nothing in there. I don't know. This is my first time going to her. And y'all know how it be. The first time you go to somebody, I don't know, I'd be like shy. But, okay. Guess how much my hair costs? I got butt length, Fulani braids, freestyle in the front. Guess how much they cost? I'm going to give y'all a little second to think about it. Y'all probably not going to guess. Alright. They was only $200. And y'all be getting y'all hair done, y'all be getting y'all hair braided, y'all already know how it be. $200, that's a steal. When I got my hair similar to this in Puerto Rico, I think I paid like $240. So this girl, she don't charge as much. And I know it's definitely some people who charge like $300 for this style. But she did a really good job. I'm gonna show y'all the back and stuff a little bit later when I get in the house.
Thank you for choosing Grwm. What can I get? Make fish for you today.
Can I I get the buffalo tender basket?
What kind of sauce?
Barbecue.
And what would you like for the drink?
Can I get a mango lemon ice cooler?
Okay. Anything else for you today?
That'll be all.
Look at the line for your shoulder.
Thank you. Y'all, I be wondering, what do people be getting in coolers? The person in front of me, they told it was 43 something. Like, yeah. That's a lot. They must be feeding a couple people. Now, what did I do with my card? Oh, here we go. My purse got a hole in it by the wallet, so I be putting stuff in that little hole on accident. The birds love my car, y'all. They do me so dirty. Oh my god. I need to go get my car washed too. That's what I need to do. They gave me my food immediately. As soon as I paid and grabbed my drink, I pulled off and they stopped me right away to give me my stuff. I like that Culver's. Y'all from Milwaukee, the Culver's on Midtown during the day, y'all be playing around. I love mangoes. If I get a smoothie or something, I always get mango. These little kids need to stop playing. They got the water boys, I guess, out. The fake water boys out. The Milwaukee water boys out. They just gonna walk in front of me. Like I'm not vlogging and looking down at my phone while I'm driving. I'm just playing. I'll be paying attention. Don't take me serious. It never fails. Somebody always parked right in front of my house. Like the whole block is barely anybody parked, and somehow they always end up right dab in front of my house. How that work? Yeah, I kind of parked in front of the neighbor house because it's a mound of trash in the street. Well, actually, I'm gonna leave these rolled up. But anyways, should I got all the stitching? Can y'all see? So I'm wearing black. So yeah, it's damn near thigh length. Y'all know I had to tip my girl. My hair looks so cute. I didn't even look at the knotless. How the knotless look? Y'all see? My hair is so cute. I love braids. You just wake up, do your edges and go. That's what I love about braids. And they not like, if your hair itch, you just scratch it. Like the wigs just, man, after 3 days, they start looking crazy and my hair start itching. And you gotta do it in the morning. It's faster than doing my natural hair, but yeah. What y'all think? I'm probably gonna put some lashes on or whatever later. Come and show y'all the full look. But other than that, I think that's all for today's video. Thank y'all for coming with me. Sorry I didn't record in there or like before really. I was running behind and I was doing slow stuff, so yeah. This too sweet. Y'all think these coolers from Culver's is too sweet? It's good, but it's just too sweet. Like, I don't know. All right, y'all.